Well, that's definitely a gas pipe. Now, I know that I've hit it and it's got a little dent, but I don't think there's any major problem with it. It doesn't look as if it's unduly damaged or anything like that. I'm just going to get some soapy water just to see if there's any bubbles or anything. Now, I don't know how well, if at all, you can see this, but I've just been pouring some water with washing up liquid on there just to see if I can see any bubbles come up, and I can't. So I've put this is an old coleslaw container. I can't see any bubbles or anything from there, but what I'm going to do, I just need to be absolutely certain, because what I don't want to do is to cover this thing up only to find that there's a bloody gas leak or something. So I'm going to be very careful, just get a little trowel. I just want to be able to make sure I can get some water under there, look, soapy water, just to make sure I can test that side as well. So I don't know what you can see, but that's where we are at the moment, and then I'll need to have a cup of tea and think about where we go from here. Right, so I've decided what I'm going to do then. I've got to obviously be very careful, so I'm going to widen the hole, bring it as near to possible to the path to make sure I've got more of a gap from the pipe. So I've still got to dig down about another 7 or 8 inches. What I'm then going to do, I've got this sheet of metal, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop this down so it protects the pipe, and also so it means that it's not encased in concrete. So this is a steel plate, it's off the back of an washing machine. So divine intervention, that, weren't it? Just to make sure that I can protect that gas pipe, and obviously I don't endanger myself or anybody else. So I've gouged some slots either side of the pipe, and what I'm going to do, gently knock this in to protect that gas pipe. So the gas pipe is definitely on the other side of that, so it should be alright, shouldn't it? So when we look, the gas pipe is the other side of that steel plate, and by the time this steel plate rusts or whatever, then the concrete on the right side will be well and truly solid, and it won't impede it in any way. So as I say, I don't know whether you can see it down there, look, but the pipe's down there, it is protected, and I just think this is quite a, I don't know, practical solution to sorting it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I need to go down about another, about 4 inches, something like that. Then I can start putting some gravel in there, just so we have some drainage, and then start mixing up some concrete and setting the bollard. think that's good to go then. So I'm just going to put some concrete in the bottom, and then I'm going to get it nice and plumb. One of the important things to make sure is the fact that this will actually go down all of the way, because once you try and adjust this, and you make the minor adjustments to get the right height, the gravel might come up inside and stop this from going down all of the way. But that looks about right as far as I'm concerned, and it will allow me to just get a little fall on the concrete just to shed water. So as far as I'm concerned, we're good to go. All I need to do now is to mix up some concrete.
Huh.